we're doing a little review on that rig, which is cool. And out of nowhere, I'm asking her where she wants to go wheeling, and she straight doesn't care where she's going. She just wants to roll it once.
If your mother doesn't scare you wheeling, you're not doing it right. Tricky part about the spotting they got going on here is when you're married, you better put them on the right freaking line.
All right, guys, so we were stopped here to take a look at this sweet old school style crawler. I mean, I really love this thing because this is like what they did back in the day before coilovers. They max suspension this thing, and it is beautiful. I mean, this thing's been through the paces, been around for a while, but it's proven, tested, and it looks amazing. I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy it as well. I'm gonna go over here and introduce you to the driver, which is Charlie Heron.
Hi.
So, tell me a little bit about your rig, Charlie.
It's got 1 tons, an Atlas. Technically, it is a 95 Cherokee.
Technically, is that because it's titled?
Yes.
Title is 91 Cherokee. Sounds pretty rock crawlerish, I must say. Right on. So how long have you had this thing?
6 months.
6 months, right on. Looks like you're doing pretty good on it. I watched you out there on that course tearing it up. What'd you do before you got into rock crawling?
Race cars, all-wheel drive.
So pretty much the
road
same.
Race.
Pretty much the same thing?
No, not at all.
Not at all, right on.
Learned a lot in the last year.
Excellent. So this thing's pretty awesome. So I'm guessing it's got a 14 bolt in the rear. Yes, it does. That's awesome. So 1 tons.
And coil springs.
Yeah, that's that old school rock crawler stuff. That's what makes me love this rig. I mean, this stuff right here, that is way before. I mean, they did that before they had coilovers. And it's funny because I'm like, oh man, what do you do before coilovers? Well, trust me, this thing flexes, it works, and it crawls like crazy. And then we have a 60 up front, right?
Yes.
So we have a 60 up front. What do you have for a motor in it?
4.0.
4.0, right on.
That's the Cherokee title.
Thus the Cherokee title. Excellent. And this thing was what? Looks like a CJ of some sorts. Really hard to tell with all this door missing here. But looks good, looks solid. Have you had any problems or anything like that? Looks like you got some new tires. You always run 38s on there?
No, we had 40s and next will be 42s, but we're cheap and this is what we could find.
Can't lose with 42s. Very cool. So it looks like we have worn winch. I mean, we have full hydro. Are those true bead locks? Oh yeah, they are.
Yes.
So we have true bead locks right here.
And a pain in the butt to change.
Pain in the butt. Oh yeah.
We did it in our living room.
I think there's like 32 bolts in there. I don't know, I might be wrong, but it's a lot. It's a lot. I've done it a lot myself.
Yep.
But dude, they're already set up with all the oil and everything, so it's kind of a new rig. Do you think you're gonna stick with off-road and you're gonna go back to street cars?
Both.
Ooh, very nice. So you're definitely doing good at crawling. And this is such a cool rig because, so yeah, do you have any plans of wheeling? Where are you gonna go wheel?
I want to roll it.
You want to roll it?
Yeah.
Just straight?
Never rolled a vehicle before. Always had the low cars. I want to roll it.
Can we roll it tonight?
Why not?
Are we really gonna roll this thing? Lige, where are you going? Where are you going? You going wheeling? You going wheeling, Lige?
Yeah.
Get some. Grab some gears. Grab some gears, bro. Update. We're doing a little review on that rig, which is cool. And out of nowhere, I'm asking her where she wants to go wheeling. And she straight doesn't care where she's going. She just wants to roll it once. So I called her on it. And looks like we're gonna go roll it. So this should be entertaining. Now, this is not recommended. Don't just go roll your stuff, but she just wants to know where her roll point is. It's gonna be pretty good. But she's got 4-point harnesses and she's got a really nice cage. And the thing's been tried and true, and it's not the first time that thing's been on its lid. Charlie. How the hell was that? Right there. That's good.
Worn winch.
All right.
Trusted.
Phase 2, putting it on the wheels. You ready?
Are you ready?
Oh my gosh, you look like a ghost with all that freaking rigid light. Dude, the rigid lights make you glow in the dark.
Dude, that's only the light bar.
What's up, glow in the dark girl?
I'm
What's up,
already
glow in the dark?
pasty enough.
You want to go slow so she stops easy.
She's a little dirty, you guys. You ought to like and subscribe because good things happen when you like and subscribe.